Hi, my name is Paul and I am from Algebra A to Z, and what we're going to do today is do algebra questions. And you may ask why, and I'm going to tell you because they're the most important questions you need to know the answers to. If you know the answers to all these questions, and I believe there are 8 questions here, you will do well in any exam, any algebra exam. Algebra isn't difficult. We tend to make it difficult because we panic. And if we know the answers to all these questions, you will not panic and you will get good marks. It's as simple as that. So let's have a look. First of all, what's an expression? An expression is just basically anything. 5x plus 6, 14 minus 4y. All these are expressions. Notice no equal sign. It is just numbers and x's or y's or z's or whatever. So when we look at an equation is an expression with an equal sign. For example, 5x plus 6 equals 16. 14 minus 4y equals 3y. So let's look at the first one. 5x plus 6 equals 16. Can you do this in your head? It's a very simple algebra question. So we got 5x plus 6 equals 16. What can we do or take away from each side to reduce it? We've got a 6 on one side and we've got a 16 on the other side. So how about removing 6 from each side? So that makes it 5x equals 10. We have taken 6 away from both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0. 16 minus 6 is 10. Okay, simple. 5x equals 10. If 5x equals 10, x equals what? We divide both sides by 5. 5x equals 10, x equals 2. Well done. That was very well worked out. Okay, what is a term? The term are, for example, 5x plus 6. Of the example 5x plus 6, the terms are 5x and 6. It's all the bits that make up the expression. 5x plus 6, all parts of the expression. And a coefficient is easy. Coefficients go with letters, whether it be A, B, all the way up to Z. The coefficient is 5 because it's 5x in this example. So 5x coefficient is 5. Constants. Constant is something that doesn't change. And something that doesn't change has to be a number because the number will stay constant. So a constant from example 5x plus 6, the constant is 6. It is that simple. Do not panic about the words. These are not difficult. So let's look at the order of operations. Okay? The order of operations is important because if we get the order wrong, we'll end up with the incorrect answer. So let's look. First of all, parenthesis and brackets first. Always parentheses and brackets first. Simple as that. Multiplication and division second. And addition and subtraction last. I can give you lots and lots of examples of this, which I will do when we do the video on order of operations. So what is a function? A function is a process. You feed data in and you get different data from the other end. It's a process. We don't know what the process is, but we can work on it. So it could be, again, I will go into detail in the video on functions. And finally, we got what is factorising. Factorising is reducing an expression or equation to its lowest terms. It's as simple as that. This is factorizing. These are the sort of thing they will ask you in your exam. Factorizing. Factorize this expression or factorize this equation. Give the answer for x. This is what you to be expected. So let us go back. Expression is just a simple expression. An equation has an equal sign behind it. A term is all the terms in the expression or equation, all the terms. The coefficient is the number in front of the letter, the variable. You will have variables because it's algebra in the examples. What is a constant? Constant is always a number because it can't change. Constant is a constant, which is in this case 6. And then order of operations, easy. Parenthesis, brackets, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And then you get the function. And I'm looking forward to doing the video on the function because I will give you lots and lots and lots of examples for you to do. And then factorizing. Factorizing is reducing an expression or equation to its lowest terms. Again, I will be providing lots and lots of examples to be calculated when we do that video. So what I suggest you do, subscribe to this channel, ring the bell, and when I upload these additional videos to YouTube, you will be advised. You'll be able to come and have a look. It is as simple as that. I hope you found this interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. It will help without a doubt. You take care and thank you. In the comments below, if you've got a query, ask it and I will answer it.